All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 GMC Yukon. It is the SLT model. It's beautiful black with black leather interior, third row seating, navigation system, heated and cooling seats, backup camera, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, super nice. Only 20,000 miles on this vehicle. Best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick. Your front bumper, as you can see, it's got sensors, fog lights. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire right here is looks like 8/32. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty decent. I do see a dent here about 2 inches. Is it a dent there? So there's a dent here about 3 to 4 inches. No paint off. All right, and I think I see a little ding here. Hard to tell. And a little ding down that quarter. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire thread is. Your tire thread in this is at 8/32 as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. You got memory seating. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here. Turn on this vehicle. There's a push start system. AM, FM, CD player obviously working. You got your two comes with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Nice. Got your AC controls right down below. You got heated and cooling seats right there. Very nice. All right. What else? You got your Navi system. Boom. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you know lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 20,709. Looks good. Got some stuff here to open up your trunk. Very nice. Got your 4x4 action. Boom. You know, your like parking assist and stuff like that. There. Keeping it moving. Got your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear armrested cup holders, rear AC controls, and heated seats back here. You got vents on top. Check out your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks pretty good with your backup sensors and stuff. This, of course, opens up nicely. They got your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty nice. Got your little buttons here to pull this down. Boom. And likewise on the come up. Boom. A little compartment here. Boom, boom. Got a cargo netting. Very nice. A little button here. Closes your rear latch here. Very nice. Your quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Your tire third is at 8/32. This door looks pretty good. I do see a dent there. No paint off. About 1 inch. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Good. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It's a powered seat as well. Front fender looks pretty good. I do see a little ding right there. No paint off on that. Rear front passenger rim. Very nice, no curbing. And your tire third is at 8/32 as well. Let me double check that. Yes. Yep, at 8/32. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Things are on. Let me double. There we go. Fog lights, all working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 GMC Yukon SLT model with little 20,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.